In batch inventory, you can now manage orders easily and convert them into outward transactions with a single click. This is the simplest orders management system you'll find. Fast, simple, and built to save you time. Right now, you can see we've already added some orders in the orders section, and this shows how easily you can add and manage orders. To add a new order, just click the plus button, enter the party and items, then edit or convert it to an outward transaction when you're ready. You can add a new party from here, but for now, select a party that already exists in the system. Then, click the Create Order button to get started. Simple, quick, and ready to convert into an outward transaction when needed. Search for the product, enter the quantity and price, and add an optional remark if needed. Click Add to place the item into the cart. Select the item from the drop-down. Once it's chosen, previous price suggestions load automatically to help you pick the right price. This speeds up order creation and lets you prepare orders much faster and more accurately. Enter a remark here and it will be attached to the order item. Then click Add and the item will appear in the cart, as you can see. Repeat the same steps to add multiple items. Each item shows in the cart so you can edit or remove them before finalizing. The totals are calculated from the items you add to the cart, and you can add additional adjustment items to the order when needed. Use these adjustments for labor charges, packing fees, discounts, or other costs. They update the grand total immediately, so your invoice stays correct. These additional adjustment records let you add extra charges or discounts to an order, so the totals stay accurate. They appear in the order summary, update the grand total instantly, and print on invoices, perfect for labor, packing, or special discounts. Similarly, you can add a discount record so the order total is reduced correctly and the payment amount is updated. The discount appears in the order summary, updates the grand total instantly, and prints on the invoice for clear billing. Finally, the narration field lets you add important notes that will attach to the order when you click Save. Now that the order is ready, click Print to print it or save as PDF to store and share. Quick and professional. You get a clear print preview here that shows exactly how the order will look on paper or as a PDF. Review the layout, headers, items, and totals, then click Print or Save as PDF to share or archive the order. Now that the order is ready, it's time to convert it into an outward transaction, so your stock is updated correctly. Click Make Transactions button, and the system will deduct batch-wise quantities, attach the party, and record the transaction instantly. Simple and reliable. Here you can see all items in the order. For each item, pick the correct batch from the drop-down, so the system links that batch to the item. This lets the software validate batch stock and complete outward transactions correctly and safely. As you can see, once you select a batch, its stock will be reduced when the transactions are processed. Do this for every item. Select the appropriate available batch so the system can deduct quantities correctly and keep your inventory accurate. Once all batches are linked to the items, click the Validate and Convert button and the software will do its magic. It will create all outward transactions, mark the order as completed, and update product stock. Everything is processed automatically and batch-wise, so your order status and inventory stay accurate without any extra manual work. That's all. A simple order management feature that will make handling orders faster and keep your stock accurate. Try it now to speed up dispatches, avoid stock mistakes, and keep everything under control. What you're seeing here are the outward transactions we just made. They update product stock counts automatically in real time. This is why batch inventory is the simplest and best way to manage your business. Fast order processing, accurate stock, and no added complexity. We built batch inventory to make managing your business easy, and we keep improving it so even your staff can use it without special training. With a simple interface, clear workflows, and controlled access, your team can handle stock, orders, and daily tasks smoothly, leaving you free to focus on growing the business. That's it for this video. Explore other videos on our channel to learn more and master batch inventory. If this helped, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and connect with our team. See you in the next video.